Every year they do these little hay bale, custom hay bale things. Different companies, different people make their own little decorative hay bale. They have some kind of little contest over here, and they select a winner. They got some kind of cool looking ones there. Look at that. That's just a hay bale. That's hilarious. They didn't put much effort into that one. Oh, that's cool. A little slot machine one. That's kind of cool. You got all different kinds of them. It's got a little puppet in it. The noise knocking coming from my car's this side axle. I replaced this one because it was so bad the other day. Now I got to do this one. I'm waiting on it to arrive. Hopefully I'll get it replaced within the week. But we'll see. Check all these ones out. You got a bunch of them. I'm gonna settle down. Settle down. I just took her out and she's excited. Look at that one. Huh. Made a truck out of that one. It's kind of cool. Got a bunch of them over here. Look at that. That's cool. Huh. Look at me, like a helicopter there. Some kind of like the police did. Some kind of like big drone, it looked like.